Well, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you some images while I tell you the characteristics of this joystick. Some images very close up so that you can see its qualities. Finishes. The Mamba one is a wireless joystick, obviously gaming, with a 2-inch screen where we will be able to directly make adjustments without any additional software. For example, we will be able to reprogram all the buttons, sensitivity settings, macros, lever calibration, vibration control, and many other things. It is also compatible with various platforms such as PC, Nintendo Switch, iOS, and Android.